So in our last example, I wanted to show you what it looks like if you don't shade it in or color it in and you just use the symbols to label your pie. And so in this example, we're looking at a heavy box that's pushed across a rough floor. Now remember, whenever you see anything about I'm using the wrong thing again, a rough floor, then we're going to be dealing with some thermal energy, okay? And so this box that's pushed across this rough surface is going to be slowing down as it comes to a stop. And so the energy that we're going to be dealing with is kinetic energy because it's moving, and so I didn't fill that in, and thermal energy because it's going to be heating up. Thermal energy is where that energy goes, and I just left those blank there, and that's fine. So in the beginning, when it first starts, it's going to have only kinetic energy, so I just labeled the whole pie EK. As it slows down, some of that kinetic energy is turning into thermal energy. And since it's going about half as fast, I'm not really sure, and it doesn't work exactly this way, but we have about some kinetic energy and some thermal energy, so I cut my pie in about half. As long as I recognize that I have less kinetic energy and I'm gaining thermal energy, then that's what this pie should look like. And then at the end, when it has come to a complete stop, then there should be no more kinetic energy, so the whole pie is labeled E thermal. And you might be thinking, well, I should have just been doing that the whole time, and you totally could. I personally kind of like the way it looks with the shaded in pieces that are labeled, but if you would rather label it with symbols like this, you totally can, and that's okay. Just make sure that it's obvious what is in your pies so that your teacher knows what kind of energy you're talking about is there when you are talking about the energy, okay? Again, ask your teacher if you have questions. Thanks for watching.